Welcome to our English session videos. Children, in this video you are going to see Standard 7 Unit 2 The Last Stone Carver Lesson Session 2 written by Shirgun Srivastav. So, now let's go to the lesson. Days and weeks went by. It was a month since Gopal had left. So, days and weeks passed. Now it has become, now it has 1 month that Gopal has left. The old man worked tirelessly. So now that old man worked tirelessly. Tireless இல்லாம work பண்ணிட்டே இருந்தாங்க. It was all there in the stone, the strong straight shoulders of Krishna, his soft curved hips, the pointed fingers holding the flute delicately to his lips, his serene face, eternally beautiful. The old man could see it in the stone. He could feel it. He only had to set it free with the chisel. So, the old man வந்து ஒரு ஸ்டோன் இருக்கு சில்ட்ரன். அந்த ஸ்டோனில் அவங்க என்ன ஃபீல் பண்ணுவாங்கனாக்கா he is seeing the straight shoulders of Krishna, his hips. அவங்க அப்படியே அவங்க இமேஜின் பண்ணுறாங்க. The curved hips, அப்புறமா pointed fingers, like the Lord Krishna is holding the flute and he is playing with his lips, and a beautiful eternally face of Lord Krishna he is remembering. So he just feels that he had to free from his chisel. He did not feel hunger, he did not feel thirst. He was driven by the strong desire to finish the sculpture in time. It was his biggest piece of work, his best. It would also be his last. So, ஹங்கரே இல்லாமல் டேர்ஸ்டே இல்லாமல் வந்து டே அண்ட் நைட் ஹீ இஸ் ஒர்க்கிங். அண்ட் அவங்களோட ஸ்ட்ராங் டிசைர் என்னன்னா மெயினாக வந்து இந்த ஸ்கல்ப்சர் வந்து டைமில் ஃபினிஷ் பண்ணணும். அண்ட் this was the biggest piece of his work, and he is thinking that this piece would be the last one. On and on he worked his chisel, striking the stone again and again. But then came the day when the old man felt his strength ebb. His shoulders began to ache, his arms felt heavy, and his vision blurred. Overcome with fear, he sank to his knees and prayed. The old man prayed a lot these days. So children, what happened? So work பண்ணதுனால he was working and working again in the stone, taking the chisel and a hammer in his hand. What happened? At the last, the old man, children, his strength felt ebb. So his shoulders began to pain, and அவங்களோட விஷன் கூட ப்ரொல்லாக தெரிஞ்சிச்சு. And one day what happened? He was just many days he was just praying, and he was fearing that he will finish or not this sculpture, like that he was fearing, and he is praying a lot these days. Means he is in very painful way doing that work. Master T. Salim said, "You have not touched your food again. Please have some rice and vegetables. You only had a glass of milk for breakfast. Have the curd. You like the curd. I know you do." So இப்போ வந்து சலீம் வந்து அந்த பையன் வந்து சொல்கிறான், நீங்கள் வந்து திருப்பியும் சாப்பாடே டச் பண்ணலையா? have some rice, have some vegetables. கொஞ்சம் rice சாப்பிடுங்க, கொஞ்சம் vegetables சாப்பிடுங்க. And just you had a glass of milk. Morning breakfast just you have the drank the milk. கொஞ்சம் curd சாப்பிடுங்க, உங்களுக்கு curd பிடிக்கும் எனக்கு தெரியும், like that the boy is saying. The old man looked up. He whispered, "I don't think I will be able to finish it. If Gopal was here, it would be different. He had not yet learned the crave the finer details, but in a year or two he would have learned surely." So now the old man is thinking about his son, and he is saying that கோபால் இருந்தாங்கனாக்கா இது கண்டிப்பாக டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருந்திருக்கும். பட் he did not learn properly. அதுக்கு வந்து சரியாக வந்து கர்வ் பண்ண முடியல. பட் 1 or 2 years கண்டிப்பாக அவன் வந்து கற்றுட்டு இருப்பான். He felt silent. It was the features and hands that gave him trouble. There was something missing in his figures. That's something which can't be taught. ஸோ இப்போ என்ன சொல்கிறாங்கனாக்கா ஏதோ ஒன்று அதோட மனசில் ஏதோ ஒன்று அதோட இதில் வந்து மிஸ்ஸிங்காக இருந்துச்சு. அது என்னன்னு தெரியல. அவன் வந்து காசுக்காக அங்கே போகல. பட் அதுக்கு கோபால் வந்து கார்விங் வந்து கரெக்டாக கற்றுக்கவும் முடியல. பிகாஸ் சம்திங் வாஸ் மிஸ்ஸிங் இன் ஹிஸ் ஃபிங்கர்ஸ் லைக் தட் he taught. Because it comes from somewhere deep inside you, Salim whispered. From deep inside here, he pointed his heart. So இப்போ வந்து என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க, சலீம் என்ன சொல்கிறான், யா அது வந்து நமக்கு உள்ளேருந்து வரணும். From deep inside, and he showed his heart. He pointed his heart. The old man looked at the boy surprised. He saw him blush and turn his face away. So அந்த old man வந்து சர்ப்ரைஸாக அந்த பையனுக்கு பார்க்குறாங்க. He's saying now, you're right, Salim, you're right. And then he added sudden bitterness and if you don't have it here, he tumbled his chest, then you'd better go to Agra and mass produce ashtrays for tourists from abroad. Then the old man coughed painfully and reached for his glass of water. So now இப்போ வந்து சொல்கிறாங்க, ஆமாம் சலீம், எஸ் கரெக்டு தான், யூ ஆர் ரைட். பட் சடனாக வந்து ரொம்ப துக்கத்தில் பிட்டர்னஸ் வேர்ட்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. சரி, நீ கூட உனக்கு கூட அந்த மாதிரி இது வரலனா, யூ ஆல்சோ ஓன்ட் ஃபீல் லைக் தட் மீன்ஸ் you also go to Agra and produce the ashtrays for tourists and you also earn the money, like that he is telling with a painful voice. And the old man began to cough and he took the glass of water to drink. Eat, Master Ji, eat, everything will be all right. So now the Salim is consoling, eat Master Ji, edavadhu saapidunga, everything will be all right. After he had eaten, the old man once again took up his hammer and chisel. He worked till in the night, late in the night, in the early hours of the morning. The chisel fell from his hands and the hammer dropped on the ground. His body sagged, falling forward limpingly. His forehead sunk Krishna's flute and slid down the statue to rest on the pedestal. So, due to not eating properly, he had eaten the food now. So the old man again took the hammer and the chisel. He worked till late in the night, and in the early morning what happened, the chisel fell from his hand and he fell down near the Krishna's flute. Hi Ram, he muttered and sank into a comfortable darkness. So he just said hi Ram and he fainted. Now when he opened his eyes, he found himself lying on a cot in his bedroom, covered with a light cotton blanket. So he fainted down, no children, but when he opened his eyes, he found himself lying on a cot, lying on the bed, and he was covered with a light cotton blanket. Okay, children, see you in the next session.